My electric hedge trimmer has been great for doing low level stuff, but if you've got to do the high level stuff, it's really hard. It's possible with the ladder, but it's a lot more dangerous. What you need is a Ryobi R18PHT120 long hedge trimmer. So this is the product in all its glory. Comes in two separate pieces, the main handle unit and the hedge clipping unit. So it comes with a guard on there which you take off carefully. Watch out for the blades, they're sharp. Always put the guard back on when you're finished using it to protect the blades. So it comes with a carry strap that clips on to the hedge trimmer. Weighs about 4 kilos with the battery, so the strap just makes it easier to hold. The important thing of this kit, costs 229 Australian from Bunnings. You need your own battery and charger to go with it. So I've already got a battery and charger with my leaf blower. So the advantage of this, you can use the same battery for multiple tools, so you're not wasting money getting a separate battery and charger for each tool, and you're also saving the environment by limiting battery manufacturing and plastics manufacturing and waste. You've only got one charger and one battery, can do a few tools, so it's a really good system that Ryobi has. So it uses the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus system. Same battery can be used in many tools that are Ryobi branded. Great idea. Battery also has a charge indicator. For green means it's fully charged. So this battery is available separately with the charger as well if you don't have one already, but it's a great option that you don't have to buy a product with a battery, a separate battery for every product. The one battery can do a few. Great idea. So the battery is quite easy to fit. It only goes in the right way, which is this way. If you put it in the wrong way, it won't fit. Clip it in. To remove it, you just squeeze these two tabs on each side to pull it out. Quite an easy system. All you've got to do, the head's got special shape inside here, which will only go on the one way. Line up the grey block with the hole, clip it in and just rotate the collar. This head, you can squeeze these two and adjust it in numerous different positions. Usually you have it roughly 90 degrees. And this lever allows you to extend it up to 3.1 meters. Just click it back down to lock it. Don't forget your safety gear, safety glasses, gloves and hearing protection. For safety, you've got to push this bit forwards and pull the trigger. So the trigger won't work by itself. You push it forwards. Once you're on the trigger, you can let go of that. Simply let go to stop. Much easier and much safer. I've done 3 hedges and I've still got half the battery left. The battery life is really good. got 2 bars. I think if the battery runs out, it's probably time for a break and put it on charge anyway. So the 2.0 amp hour battery, I think it's adequate for this. Just give the blades a little bit of lubricant. I've got some WD-40 bike chain lubricant after use, just to maintain them. Always put the cover on after use to avoid blade damage. So after using this, any cons? The only con, I'd think, it weighs about 4 kilos, which isn't bad, but you need to have a bit of arm strength to hold it. The strap helps a bit, but not totally, so you've got to have a little bit of strength, especially if it's fully extended, to hold it. But I think that's the only downside. The advantage is you're not climbing up ladders, you know, with the risk of falling off, or ladders on unstable surfaces and risk of falling off. I hope this video was satisfying and enjoyable to watch. I thoroughly recommend to buy this product if you've got a very high hedge. If you've only got low level ones, the corded handheld one is still fine, but anyone with higher hedges, I think this is a necessity, just for ease of use and also for safety, to avoid balancing on a ladder and falling off a ladder. So don't forget, if you're getting a Ryobi R18PHT120, if you don't have that 18-volt battery and charger already with another tool, you've got to buy that separately. But I think it's great that you can have the one battery and charger to do multiple Ryobi tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time. What you need is a Ryobi R18PHT18 long hedge trimmer. What you need is a Ryobi R18PHT120 long hedge trimmer.